With the competitors model, there was just such a loss of sensitivity with them, with the EH controls on their products. We had a salesman who'd been stopping by our shop with Case for about 6 years, and finally stopped by on the right day. I told him about the problems we were having. He said, well, why don't you try out one of our machines? And we found we weren't experiencing those same problems with the EH controls, that they were more comfortable, that they were more sensitive. He showed us that we were able to adjust the sensitivity on the job site. So we purchased the machine, ran it for the winter, and the following fall, going into the next winter, we ended up purchasing 2 more identical machines because we were so happy with it. One area I do find it especially helpful in the summer is with new operators. I can make the settings a little less sensitive for them so that it's going to be a slower acceleration, so that the machine moves a little slower. Basically, I can dial everything down a little bit. The 2 main adjustments that we make are for when we're doing dirt work, basically when we're doing bucket work and when we're doing snow plowing work. We've found with the snow plowing, it works wonderful for us to be able to slow down the responsiveness of the curl of the bucket and the lift of the arms. With competitors models, we've found that the only way to slow down the curl and the bucket speed sometimes is to slow down everything, the turning, the acceleration. With the Case system, we're able to keep the speed and the agility and the responsiveness of the tires, and yet slow down the curl. We're running a brush mower. I can still keep the hydraulic flow on high for mowing, but I can throttle down the responsiveness of the drive system for the tires. Since we're only going to be driving about 2 miles an hour, yet I want that hydraulic flow still all the way up. With hard workers being difficult to find, it's a wonderful benefit to be able to have the option of ISO or the H pattern. Especially come winter time, we employ a lot of guys who are normally laid off over the winter. They don't have to relearn a new system. I can now offer a machine to them that if they're used to an H pattern, they instantly have a brand new machine that runs an H pattern. If they're used to ISO, they now have a brand new machine that runs an ISO. If we have a shift change and there's a different operator, he goes flips a switch, and now they can both run the same machine the way they're used to.